Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.4.3 and we are going to boot into the Windows recovery environment. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. An employee has just called you saying that when they turn their laptop computer on, a strange screen pops up that they do not recognize. So in this lab, the task is to boot the exec laptop computer by pressing the power button on the top and evaluate the system. Answer question 1. Find and run system setup repair. Make sure the computer boots into Windows. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have here. So just to go through the tasks again, we have to boot into the exec laptop computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this to top so that we can press the power button. So this is the power button, and let's wait for the computer to boot. So question 1, which environment is the computer booting into? This is most likely Windows BIOS, Windows recovery environment rather. Yep, so we're going to run startup repair options in Windows RE. So let's keep working. Let's go ahead and minimize these and let's go to advanced option and troubleshoot. Let's go to advanced options and we want to go to system startup repair and we'll wait for it to complete the task. So wait for it to for the laptop to boot back into Windows. Okay, so the computer has boot into Windows and we're going to check answer the question. Oh, I thought. Okay, so let's check our answers and everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe. Don't forget to join my professional membership for extra insiders spec. And if you need to reach me, you can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.